Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, so today we're going to be doing something that was inspired by Britney makeup. She does really cool avant-garde makeup with really interesting like craft little things like sequins. She uses like little metal rings, yarn, anything. Anything you see in a craft store, she could pull it off by gluing it onto her face. Like, I don't know. I found these neon sequins at the craft store and I thought of her. And I want to do some kind of a neon look. I bought a new lighter today. I only ever buy black lighters. Also, my skin is a fucking crap bag right now. Like, bitch. I'm going to use a little bit of Clinique foundation and A58. Oh no, I lied, 32 Breeze. That was just a little bit of Colourpop no filter setting powder. Okay, that was just my Colourpop private bronzer. Wish I had a more neon yellow, but I don't. So the brightest one that I have is the James Charles Morphe palette in B, and then I think I'm going to use my Subculture, the like electric, I think it's called electric, the shade on top of it. It's kind of, I also don't really know what I'm going to do with my brows. Maybe I'll use my Anastasia. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel in ash brown. Alright, so first I'm going to go in with Skip, which is the hot pink in the bottom. Now that I'm decently happy with how it came out, I forgot my inner corner on the one eye. I will fix that once I find my brush. I'm just going to use Jeffree Star, Queen Bee, and a little bit of Diva on my waterline. Use my Subculture palette and take the shade Electric. And I'm going to use my Moonchild Glow Kit in Pink Heart for the other inner corner. Onto my sequins. I've decided to add more of these, so it's gonna be a long one. At this point, I think I'm just getting out of hand with these sequins. So I'm gonna stop here. I'm just gonna end up with like a sequin mosaic all over my fucking face. Okay, I'm gonna mascara, put some lashes on, and then pick a lip color. I think I'm gonna use my Rouge and Rogue and luminara. Focus on anything but my pink ass finger. Okay, finally, I'm gonna go in with Diva, I believe, on my lips, and then I think I'm gonna fill the center with a bit of Queen Bee. It's like an ombre, pink and yellow. I'm gonna highlight first. Alright, I'm gonna part my hair in the middle again. And this is the final. Alright, and I think it's great. I think it came out cool. I like how it kind of looks like fireworks. And I wish I had more of a neon yellow, but I do not. So maybe next time. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it, and make sure to like, subscribe, do your thing. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.